But perhaps the most incredible part isn't the discovery itself. It's what it could mean for the future of humanity. Every year, NASA makes thousands of discoveries. New planets, distant galaxies, mysterious black holes, and incredible images captured by some of the most advanced telescopes ever built. Most of these discoveries quietly make their way into scientific journals, unnoticed by the rest of the world. But every once in a while, a discovery comes along that changes everything. The kind of discovery that forces scientists to rethink what they thought they knew about the universe. The kind of discovery that reminds us just how small we really are. Imagine looking up at the night sky knowing that somewhere among those countless stars lies the answer to one of humanity's oldest questions. How did the universe begin? How do galaxies evolve? Are we truly alone? NASA's biggest discovery of the year might not be a spaceship. It might not be an alien civilization. It might not even be something anyone expected to find. Sometimes the most extraordinary discoveries begin with a tiny signal, a faint beam of light, or a distant planet passing silently in front of its star. That's exactly how science works. Every observation becomes another piece of an enormous cosmic puzzle. One discovery leads to another. Each answer creates even bigger questions. And that's what makes space exploration so exciting. We are living through one of the greatest periods of scientific discovery in human history. The James Webb Space Telescope is looking farther back in time than ever before, revealing galaxies that formed shortly after the Big Bang. Mars rovers continue searching for signs that the red planet may once have supported life. Spacecraft explore asteroids that could reveal how our solar system was born. Powerful observatories study black holes capable of bending space and time itself. Every mission brings us closer to understanding the universe we call home. And yet, for everything we've discovered, there is infinitely more that remains unknown. Scientists estimate that ordinary matter, the stars, planets, moons, and galaxies we can actually see, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is believed to be made of dark matter and dark energy, mysterious components that we still don't fully understand. Think about that for a moment. Almost everything that exists remains invisible. Perhaps NASA's next great discovery won't simply teach us something new about space. Perhaps it will completely change our understanding of reality itself. History has shown that every generation believes it has figured out the universe, only for the next generation to discover something unimaginable. There was a time when humans believed Earth was the center of everything. Then we learned we orbit the sun. Later we discovered our sun is just one ordinary star among hundreds of billions inside the Milky Way. Today we know our galaxy is only one of hundreds of billions scattered across the observable universe. Every breakthrough makes us realize how much we still have to learn. And that's why NASA's biggest discovery of the year matters. Because it isn't just another scientific headline. It's another step toward answering questions that humanity has been asking for thousands of years. Questions that may one day reveal where we came from, whether life exists elsewhere, and what our future among the stars might look like. So, the next time you hear about a new discovery from NASA, remember that you're witnessing history in real time. One observation, one mission, one discovery at a time. Humanity is slowly uncovering the greatest mysteries ever known. And, perhaps, the biggest discovery hasn't happened yet. Perhaps it's being collected by a telescope at this very moment. Perhaps a rover on Mars is only centimeters away from finding evidence that changes everything. Or perhaps somewhere, deep within the endless darkness of space, a signal is already racing toward Earth, waiting to become the most important discovery in human history. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next exploration into the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. Because every year, the universe reveals another secret, and sooner or later, one of those secrets will change humanity forever. But what exactly could that discovery be? could it be a planet that looks almost identical to Earth? A world with oceans, continents, clouds drifting across its skies, and an atmosphere capable of supporting life. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers can now analyze the atmospheres of planets hundreds of light years away. By studying the light passing through those distant worlds, scientists can detect the chemical fingerprints of gases like water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and even oxygen. On Earth, these gases are closely connected to life. Finding them together on another planet would prove that aliens exist. But it would be one of the strongest clues we've ever discovered. Or maybe NASA's biggest discovery has nothing to do with planets at all. Perhaps it lies hidden inside the deepest parts of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope has already captured galaxies so ancient that their light began its journey toward Earth more than 13 billion years ago. Every image is like looking back in time, allowing astronomers to witness the universe when it was still in its infancy. But some of those observations have surprised scientists. Certain galaxies appear much larger and more developed than existing theories predicted. According to our current understanding of cosmology, galaxies shouldn't have had enough time to grow so massive so soon after the Big Bang. So how is that possible? Did galaxies form much faster than we imagined? Or is there something fundamental about the universe that we still don't understand? These are the kinds of questions that keep astronomers awake at night. And sometimes, the greatest discoveries aren't the answers. They're the mysteries that force science to evolve. NASA is also preparing for the future in ways most people never hear about. New space telescopes are already being designed to search specifically for signs of life on distant worlds. Future missions may detect entire weather systems on alien planets. They may map oceans hidden beneath thick layers of ice. They may even identify planets where sunlight reflects off vast liquid seas, just as it does on Earth. Imagine seeing the first true image of another Earth. Not an artist's impression, not a computer simulation, but an actual photograph of a distant blue world orbiting another star, a place where someone could be looking back at us. And that's only one possibility. NASA's missions extend far beyond planets. Scientists are studying black holes capable of warping space and time. They are investigating mysterious fast radio bursts arriving from galaxies billions of light years away. They're trying to understand dark matter, an invisible substance that appears to hold galaxies together despite never being directly observed. Every answer seems to uncover another mystery. Every mission opens another door. And behind that door, there are countless more waiting to be explored. Perhaps that's the most extraordinary thing about science. No matter how much we discover, the universe always has another secret waiting for us. A secret hidden inside a distant galaxy, a frozen moon, a forgotten asteroid, or a tiny point of light so faint that it takes billions of years to reach our telescopes. The story of space exploration has never been about reaching the end. Because there is no end. Every discovery is simply the beginning of another journey, another mystery, another chapter in humanity's search to understand the cosmos. And maybe, right now, as you're watching this, somewhere inside NASA, scientists are analyzing data that could become the next headline seen around the world. A discovery that future generations will read about in history books. A discovery that reminds us all that the universe is far stranger, far larger, and far more incredible than we ever imagined. And maybe that's the most incredible part of all. No matter how advanced our technology becomes, no matter how many planets we discover, or how many galaxies we explore, we're still only scratching the surface of the universe. Every year, NASA pushes the boundaries of what humanity knows. Every mission answers questions that once seemed impossible, while creating even bigger mysteries for the next generation to solve. That's the beauty of exploration. The more we learn, the more we realize how much remains unknown. Think about where we were just 100 years ago. Humanity had never left Earth. We didn't know if other galaxies even existed. We had no idea that black holes were real. We had never seen a planet orbiting another star. Today, we've sent robots to Mars, spacecraft beyond the edge of our solar system, and telescopes capable of looking more than 13 billion years into the past. If we've come this far in only a century, imagine what we'll discover in the next one. Maybe we'll find clear evidence of life on another planet. Maybe we'll uncover the true nature of dark matter. Maybe we'll witness the birth of a new star in real time. Or maybe the greatest discovery in human history is something we haven't even imagined yet. Because that's how science has always worked. Every generation believes it's close to understanding the universe, until one discovery changes everything. And somewhere, hidden in the endless stream of data sent back by NASA's spacecraft and telescopes, that next discovery could already exist. Waiting, patiently, for the right scientist to notice it, for the right telescope to reveal it, for the right moment to change history forever. So the next time you hear that NASA has announced a new discovery, remember this. It isn't just another headline. It isn't just another image from space. It could be another piece of the greatest puzzle humanity has ever tried to solve. The puzzle of where we came from, how the universe began, and whether we are truly alone among the stars. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We explore the biggest mysteries of space, the latest discoveries, and the questions that continue to challenge everything we know about the cosmos. Because out there, beyond every galaxy, beyond every star, beyond the limits of everything we've ever explored, the universe is still keeping its greatest secrets. And one day, one of those secrets may completely change the future of humanity.